discuss about types of dimensioning. Okay, types of dimensioning. Okay, mainly we have chain dimensioning. Okay, next progressive dimensioning. Okay, progressive dimensioning and parallel dimensioning. Okay, parallel dimension. Okay, we will discuss about these three dimensioning. Okay, the next, this is your object. Okay, this is object, you have to dimension this part. Okay, first of all we will discuss about chain dimensioning. Okay, chain dimensioning. Okay, this is an object. Okay, each bandwidth has 15 mm. Okay, each bandwidth has 15 mm. You have to you have to give dimension for this. Okay, I will explain in chain dimension. I will explain how to draw chain dimensioning. Okay, okay, this is your extension line. Okay, extension line of band, extension line of okay, each bond width has 15 mm. Okay, each bond width has 15 mm. We have in chain dimension what is the process to draw, what is the explain how what is the process to draw dimensioning. Okay, if we have each part 15 mm. Okay, in chain dimension we have to give individual parts of this, we have to draw individual part of this dimension. Okay, individual part of this dimension in continuous process. Okay, in continuous process this is 15, this is 15, and we have two sides of arrow in chain dimension. Okay, this is chain dimensioning. Okay, continuous dimension. Okay, continuous dimension of this object in same way called as chain dimension. Okay, 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 this is the chain dimension. Okay, observe carefully, we have to give individual part dimension, individual part, each individual bandwidth dimension with required dimensioning. Okay, with required dimension, this part has 15, if this part has 15 mm, we have to dimension this 15 individual dimension. Okay, every part has individual dimension. Okay, this is called as chain dimension. Okay, this is called as chain dimension. Okay, when we are coming into progressive dimension, when we are coming into progressive dimension, okay, progressive dimension, this is your object. Okay, you have to draw dimension for, you have to give dimension for this. Okay, let's draw extension line. Okay, let's draw extension line of this object. Okay, okay, these are the extension line for drawing, for dimensioning. Okay, in progressive dimension. Okay, this is bandwidth, every bandwidth has 15 mm. Okay, every bandwidth has 15 mm. Okay, this is 15 mm. Okay, in chain dimensioning we are drawn the dimension 15, every individual parts 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. But in this progressive dimension, this is draw a line and make right side arrow, this is 15 mm. Okay, and the next extend this line and draw one side arrow, only we have one side arrow in progressive dimension. Okay, this is 15, 15, 30 mm. Okay, next extend this line, extend this line. Okay, 15, 15, 15. Okay, 15 plus 30, 45. Okay, the next extend this line, and the next 45 plus 15, 60. Okay, next extend this dimension, make one side arrow, next 60 plus 15. Okay, 75. Okay, next make an arrow. Okay, next 75 plus 15. Okay, this is 90. Okay, next extend the arrow, 90 plus 15, 105. Okay, observe carefully, in chain dimension we draw only individual dimension of every band. Okay, individual dimension of every band, but in this progressive dimension we have to extend this dimension up to from starting to, we have to add from starting point to up to ending point. That means from here we have 15. Okay, next for here we have 15 plus 15 30. From here we have to 15 15 15 45. Okay, we have to extend, we have to add before dimensions also. Okay, up to ending we have 105. This is called as progressive dimension. Okay, this is called as progressive. In progressive dimension we have to draw dimensions for this. Okay, next I will explain parallel dimension. Okay, next parallel dimension. Okay, next parallel dimension. Okay, parallel dimension. This is your diagram. You have to draw parallel dimension for this object. Okay, draw extension line. Okay, draw the extension lines. Okay, these are the extension lines of this object. Okay, these are the extension lines of this object. Okay, in parallel dimension. Okay, this. Okay, this is 15 mm. Okay, every part has 15 mm. Okay, every part has 15 mm. Okay, this is 15 mm. Okay, you have to draw this 15 mm. Okay, this is first bandwidth. Next, when coming into second band, draw a parallel line to this dimension line. Okay, next make an arrows, and this is 15 plus 50 30. Okay, next draw parallel line for this next band. Okay, 30 plus 15 45. Okay, next draw parallel line for another point. Okay, next 45 plus 15, this is 60. Okay, the next draw parallel line for another point. Okay, draw 60 plus 15 75. Okay, next draw parallel line for another band. Okay, 75 plus 15 90. Next draw parallel line for next band. Okay, 90 plus 15 105. Okay, 90 plus 15 105. Okay, here we have first band and the next parallelly extended second and parallelly extended third, fourth, fifth, sixth up to ending of this object. Okay, this is the process to draw parallel dimension. Okay, this is parallel dimension. Okay, the next, this is chain dimension. Okay, we have to draw individual parts. Okay, individual part of this object. Okay, the next, this is progressive dimension. We have to increase dimension step by step. Okay, this is a process to draw this dimension. Okay, thank you.